Are you ready for this one? We're taking French toast, ham and cheese sandwich, and putting them together. We're making a French toast, ham, and grilled cheese sandwich. Check this out. We have ham, butter. I have shaved Gruyere. Use whatever cheese you like. Brioche bread. Very important that you have brioche. Nice buttery and sweet tones to brioche. Brioche is awesome for this recipe. And our French toast mix. For the French toast mix, I will put the link to my French toast video towards the end of this one. You can go check it out, see exactly what I use for that. Notice I placed the French toast mix into a plate. The reason why is we're gonna take the bread and we're gonna dip it in. We don't want to saturate this. We wanna just quickly dip it and take it right out. We got a medium temperature on our pan. We're gonna drop our butter in. You don't want this too hot. Nice medium temp's perfect. Let that butter completely melt down. All right, so I take my dipped piece of bread, I place it right into the pan. Then a little bit of cheese. The cheese is gonna act as glue, so we're gonna put a little bit on both sides. My ham. More cheese. Now, I'm gonna take my other piece of bread and I'm gonna dip that and we're gonna place that right on top. I'm gonna lower my heat down just a little bit because I want the cheese to get melted. I don't want my bread to get too golden brown too fast. Oh, now I'm gonna flip this over and I'm gonna place this in the oven, 350 degrees, just to make sure that we get all that middle completely melted and cooked. All right, so you got your bacon sitting on the plate and you got your pancakes right there, and then the maple syrup kind of spills over onto your bacon. That's what I'm getting right here. I'm getting like sweet mixing with savory all at the same time. Grilled ham and cheese just met French toast. Sexy.